Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Press the cruise button to enable the system and look for the green indicator light. Once enabled, accelerate to your desired speed and press SET to store that speed. The system will hold that velocity without pressing the accelerator. Use RES Plus to resume after a cancel or to increase speed by small increments. Each press typically raises speed by 1 mph. Cancel by tapping the brake, pressing cancel, or turning off cruise with the same button on the steering wheel. Use RES Plus to resume a stored speed or to increase the set speed by 1 mph per press. Use SET to reduce the set speed, typically by 1 mph with each press, and you can tap repeatedly to adjust in traffic. Press and hold RES Plus or SET for faster 5 mph changes when safe and legal. Watch your speedometer while doing this. The system will also cancel automatically if engine braking or manual braking is applied, and you should always remain ready to brake manually. Maintain at least a 2 to 3 second following gap and lower speed in rain or snow to avoid sudden stops. Reduce set speed by 5 to 10 mph in poor conditions. Adaptive Cruise maintains gap using radar, and distance settings adjust using the steering wheel button to choose closer or farther spacing. Do not rely on cruise control in heavy traffic, on winding roads, or when visibility is poor. Always place your hands on the wheel and be ready to override with the brake or appropriate steering input.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.